Yabamu Yamachima Kwaba, Efa, Emrabe Jumedi so on Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV, Dig Boss, say live, and so on. Medi, the accuracy is a free sample copy, say, non craba pounds, ma eduno enum. Netna. Follow ye on social media handles, Nina, Facebook, seke, Adom TV Extra, Adom TV Extra, Oko YouTuber, Adom TV. No follow me so on Facebook. Akwasi insia -6. Follow me na any enkomo. Meka se Kingdom Herbal Center akofa enupa e dia ba edwa so mesra wada. Se da bia wonsa no yetitriti. Ona no yetitriti. Na do na pempem form na outun se bobo eda ho. All because se ona no yetitriti ntana yetitriti ho ba bia anye. Wanhwe na atretra ho adako. E di stroke yade e na bebrɛ. Unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters na fe Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Anu kwa no do betimi aboase na bia mogya na e wo nipadwem no e betimi di afurusane eyim. Se blockage eba eye nipadwe no akwa no ba bia na enema onsa no na so ona no etaye titiriti no mogya no entimi ni afurusane enko no. E do betimi aboa atenetene. Untene mu e de ama eye Kingdom Garlic Bitters and a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Or the new Kingdom JC Park Capsules aba so ye member do be am sere wada abo da bi jojo ho ba bia nya. Wordrow any new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. We know the baby na Kingdom dia bedwa so. Member be a 200 bia no. Okwa ansabe ka bi at 24 FM 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938 153 0302 938 153. Kingdom or no challenger. Medical catcher say Enterprise Life Boafupa Medical Outreach and adwuma de nakasa Eshun and the 21st na maka wansem de bia kire no it and a free screen here at the abam you be check blood pressure free you be hepatitis B screening free breast screening free health advice ne counseling so free etipatwe nyina ye nhia wo bogoso runabout timu am bogoso no e kan bogoso runabout obia enim tim so wala mfa nya agude maame nyabre ne ko enkase bibia anyame wani ehu enye tan one day ubewu akọ akoma yade esiche yade emonkaye the moment bia ebo nkaye bia no na waben wawumina timisro da mfantena se nya agodie ena obi adaroma ena wo ye free di amount tifo ni kire bogoso runabout amestro koko cheko de so ye okay so be here dura be advice so edura be here so be no aboase na be ya o blood pressure betimi aba form e de ama sugar level so betimi ate e de ama fresh 0243 776 857 0243 776 857 na etimu bi apebia no nsa entimi enka. So the much talk about interview Breno Edru. We see enter ehu no TV so enter hu so come and for air to na no sir ene de waba the head pastor ELBernard Spirit Life Revival Ministries, the prophet of our time, Prophet Bernard, ELBernard, Nelson, Eshun, Atnase. Prophet, good morning.
Good morning.
Boko dear.
Yam now do moon yifa.
Yada yamiasi, yada yamiasi. Intense. Okay, matter so yenta.
Yenta for.
Okay.
I'm me a penny na make a crash so.
Honestly, so for.
Oh no, yes, so for the origin. I mean, meeting baby than Yamia from motion Yamananga so bay.
Okay, okay. So, Prophet M said, a commodity will be him say straight away. Dear Nakofa, this issue of Kennedy or in Japan to lead NPP prophecy ebai.
I'm say me Yankopon ne sofo. Wa from the me prophet. Inti nzeme pia na nyame ordinary chram from time to time.
Okay.
Na so nesa nyame order the means amenezi chram my responsibility and the mutu maka manyame waka no make us on you be an obey ni de but manyame aka no no na meka until me the 2015 na the men komo nyina about Kenya Japan or Shasi. Nyame nyemeka se de nyame adoma oye NPP. Obaba power 2016. Waba power 2020. Na ma oba me de oba power 2020 2024 obo lose ni de. In 2023 lead up to 2024 election Kenya Japan obaba de obaba contest. Na sa minya mu de Kenya Japan wa ba mo besinye de onya the primaries no win.
Okay.
Na Kenya Japan obada obe contest Alan Chairman team if you party ni mu ansa 2024 election. Minya mu that means maybe any only the NPP is going to opposition. Okay. And it will be their worst experience in opposition both for presidential and the parliamentary. Na the massam ni siwia ye be prepare de boko 2028 no Kenya Japan obaba na waba be lead oye NPP party no.
Okay.
Inti some of the NPP guys na Mesha come there won't win election 2024 na one pen.
Yeah.
Mesha Semenyon said there say obi be as a one concord share in Japan. This was around fake October 2024. One concord shenichi. No one dinichi na me adoma. Ono na obebedi oye MPP phone in him.
Okay.
Into the massive no kafa the same yina Ozaba.
Eti was it bibia na wo bo ho mpae nyame ebie wani ema wo hu ye. Ana se there was an interest bia na o follow ntima sa prophecy ne bai.
Amazing. Many interest were example.
Okay.
Mo dwenmo as a prophet. Na nyame sha se de the nzama bi ezi order chram. Na so order nzama bi ezi chama ebi wo na ma record.
Okay.
My video recording ato voice recording ma mo chro so na ma chro. Nti no nya za merebo mpe kura se enyima oya me shada mpe bibia nipa pi wo. Nti oya me mpe nzama ozimizin baba out. Nti onyaza na me bompe kura afom.
Okay. If nyamena na da di chira wo se ni opese otema amanfo. Nti na nyamese di nti na mema NPP akọ opposition in 2024.
Ono no oyenzame pi.
Okay.
But na maminyim de oye manyame wadeniza chira me no. Ghana fu pi na nkasa no in 2024 no. Oba prefer the oye His Excellency the President of Ghana obebe leading nti ono na minimum form. Okay,
so na nye se NPP aye bone bi.
Honestly nyame anka nkyerem nti muntum munko into that one.
Okay.
Mamu yanye de ma bebe lead na NPP ak opposition.
Kennedy Japan. Uyi ni nyame aka efre ono me ensemu amanfo bi aka de afa ne ho. Eye possible.
Me ye obi a sanyameka asama mizi nyamu echinzi pi.
Okay.
Because over the 26 years na my de mejuma no. Nzame pia na nyame waka kire ma se hwe nyimpa afama onyaza botu mu abem. Inti onye aza mekade oye possible another onye possible. Mami minyi manye de abra nyame boy menyu a mokọ baby MPP for to aba no.
Yeah.
Na woto aba ne wie na wo count ni nyina wie no. Na the delegate we choose Kennedy Japan.
We here for 2026 primary no.
Yeah, the
that's next year.
Yeah, we choose Kennedy Japan. Don't know me doing inti ma nipa bodwe no say what to margin, but I'm a man America.
Prophet, what day or prophecy are two on the line? Now, man for a say a bit me a bum. And you whom and farmer.
Sir, and will be a pilot. Na say on the fry aeroplane now. Nessa awo enyim bibia about the mazana obeyo nwu kakra. Enwu obi a watetende oye medical doctor na the surgeon. Nessa o perform surgery ewo obi wa oye nwu kakra.
Yeah.
Inti amemeza anye prophet. Inti manyameka no meka. Nyame so ombo letter. Oka sama he watches over his word to perform it. Inti onyaza oye nwu kra oyaza me wunda nyame wa yewi.
But we have a situation where one can say be prior to 2024 elections. Eshun kombi chre NPP same people be winning amen. And then the Christianity na ye die chre no.
O si den na ma obi bia beka no ordained Christianity. Say obi a enyim nyame na asama. On the first neighbor, especially so bankom shenaza.
Okay.
There abribiara obia beka se ewo nyame ne zinu. Onfa won ne zina wenya. Onfa won ha wanyipa waje na atum.
Okay.
The first no obia beka sa de nyame se. Say Christo nya wo ze be yenye there you will judge the prophecy.
Okay.
And you will judge the prophet.
Okay.
That's why I make a there sameka asama menji ndi de ELBernard waka. Wara so fa nyame na asam fa judge manyame aka no fa ember fa judge manyame waka no nti obi ke bibi na wambema I don't see how obedient Christianity
because
number two sisi ya wahe
yeah
se menyuzi nkomo ehun
yeah
unless obi nyim de ebenum na se epueko na ekakada maka asama the fact that you close to me no chede asama ese maka na maka
sure
ndiye wonzeme bi wo nyame wanka nipa na oye na adwe ndo obeka
okay
ye wonzeme bi wo wa oye nipa da nyame reka ye wonzeme bi wa nipa na otini ye but all interpret no wa interpret ye
okay
ye wonzeme bi wa oye letter ngoten
okay. You share this video by Prophet ELBernard. Abrana Okasa on Kenya Ponce Obeye, flag bearer of the new patriotic party. And in Kumubia, it was a video no. Echi, she video is here.
Today, 5th October 2024, I had gone for an event, and in that event were people I relate with who are in the new patriotic party and those who are with NDC. And some of the people were members of parliament and others were people who were party delegates and also who held appointment in the past administration. And so we were around when some of the guys, after I've spoken with some of the guys came around. And these were NPP guys. And they were worried and they said, Papa, you said we will not win. And I said, yes, that is what I've seen, you will not win. And they said what they have seen. So I said, media, what I can do is to help you. Even though we are not done with the 2024 election, what I can do to help you is that go and look for Honorable Kennedy Japan. We are not done with 2024. I'm telling you, you have lost. Go and look for Honorable Kennedy Japan and go and be in his camp, because he'll come and lead your party in your less primaries. And I told them, and they left, some of the guys. Some of them were even following some, and I told them. Then we're done with that chapter. So what am I responding? Today I saw a video, and a prophet was being interviewed. And the prophet was talking about camp. But it's not a prophetic debate. It's not a prophetic competition. I don't belong to any camp. So for him to say that Prophet Victor Kusibuaten is in their camp, Prophet Isaac Anto is in their camp. Prophet Joshua J is in their camp. It means nothing to me. It's not about camp. It is what I have heard, what I have seen. Everyone can gather and everyone can say what they have seen. I don't have a problem with it. So don't let it be like it's a camp or it's a competition. There's no competition. I'm telling you what I have seen. And all of them have the right to say what they have seen. I don't prophesy to force people because I'm so sure of what I see and what I hear to come and convince you. Then in the interview, the guy was saying something like, after I prophesy, I've called MPs. Now let them listen today. You see, everything I say, I don't talk about the other camp because it's not important to me. It's not what I'm looking at. More than 15 members of parliament in the other camp who have come to look for me. I did not go look for them. Listen to me very well. Who have come to look for me, sat down with me to find out from me what I have seen about their prime. And these are 15 of them who are for the other camp, and they are campaigning for the other camp. They came to me, one in different time. Prophet, this is what you have seen. And I told them, you can find out from the 15 of them.
Eti yabetua videos ama. What am about che?
The mabobo ibini wonzin do and say it's a video na ebon them some of gofona woba michem yezi nkomo na aze. Menye also honorable Gideon Boaku yakasa.
Okay.
Menye na akasa obahwom yezi nkomo afan.
Oba wo se be ye de ma no.
Say I'm a prophet. In fact Gideon Boaku be MP. I'm na nyame fam do me share no nkom. Na
me share Gideon Boaku enkom. So be ye MP.
Na me share ne da. Na ye won call primaries. Ne year na ne nua oba mi fie there. Opada we invite him for one ebusua prophetic service.
Okay.
Wo na wo wie wo ko na make che oye Dr. Gideon Boaku ne year there. Menyim nukun. But nyame sin there 2 elections what nenyim. Na one oye primaries nukun obo win the primaries no. O win we are 2025 nyame sin obako parliament. I never knew his name, knew anything about him. Now, no one can tell that Mr. Donko has a man of na mission come we.
Okay.
Time in Drew, you could share a baby, a warrior prime, prophetic service for family. No? Yeah. And I picked Dr. Gideon Boaku. Now, make can be Nti wona mu the sana ma me na mission on common no kunini.
Okay.
Nti I mean from time to time, using commoners into obe besram.
Okay.
Nti yesi nkomo pi na ameso minyim no make a trend.
Okay.
Nti ono no.
Eti apart from Dr. Gideon Boaku, when being the free the other camp, minim camp kra na kan wasem.
I mean honorable upon Nkrumah has come yesi nkomo Samuel Ku waba yesi nkomo.
Eti number in the capacity of say oye Kojo upon Nkrumah for example. So are you a member of parliament?
No, you reason come about Brabona as
okay.
Emma say yes in common years in as no or find some marker. I still hold on and I tell them Mamiu and we leave it there.
What is so special about Honorable Kennedy here Yapon Tia Nyakopon say at this time and this hour on a bit merely the NPP?
In some in common PO na baby yedro no me sure there. May extend conversation beyond the MPP at this moment.
Okay.
Inti ame buka nyame wa mama cho no efa oye Ghana wono.
Okay.
First part no offer oye NPP nipa obezi wonenyim. Second part no for NDC nipa kro obezi wonenyim. Third part no nipa kra obeso seat oye His Excellency the President of Ghana. Na mnyimi de nyame ye obi a everything obi bia oye mber. Okay. Me feel that at this point, my main concerning NPP for nipa only do one on a market on.
Okay. And there's a nipa obit merely do more for 2028 Kennedy.
Oh no, obe lead one.
Lead for say obey flag bearer and say lead we need 2028 elections.
On make sure that in common orders. Now in common orders no machichim into mark first half. Into my win and one friend ma nyame ya adoma me the second half no ba second half no for NDC for you ones and I'm the third half no so ma ba ni nyina ma tro book ni we order the wo.
Okay, a book be tight near
the second book is Prophetic Conversations about the NDC flag bearership. The third one is Prophetic Conversation about the 2028 presidential elections.
What interest be in who leads the NPP come 2028?
I mean, I have an interest in Nipakro be a president of Ghana because me Ghana ni.
Sure.
Inti se party bia oku choose one penyina menyo dechi na meje nyamezi. Inti me interest in or your Ghana on about party.
Obi Bisao say it looks as if say after the prophecy, you seem to be defending the prophecy more than allowing the prophecy to work.
I don't defend prophecy. When you nyame na asem. Se nyame ka asem fa obinuma. There is a responsibility on the person.
Okay.
I don't need to defend prophecy. As I always say that I am not defend. Me share 2024 election. Me share more than 15 times 15 videos. Because every attack, every insult, I will go and pray. Make it. Because bompe na mete nya missing there me meka meba beke biom.
Attack you.
I mean, yeah, obia mekasa you mute me. I don't belong to that level because say nyame meka asam esha maroba meko bompe mu bioma meba beka because I mean nyame from no oma mu edwuma oza atomodo that they made you me obey show roba. They will call you all manner of names, and it's not 26. Why? Yeah, I'm still in it. I don't have any interest. My interest, I am a prophet. My responsibility is to say what God is saying. And if you see it as a defense, I don't know, Sawara.
Kennedy or here Japan won't come no. Attacks be bows.
I miss me attack. Me feel the or a normal thing I see 2024 mission come I wanna work out more by okay but you kroma most see nti onye honorable Kennedy Japan gote nkombia meche bi order samba then I'm ready for all those things nti
how close na ne Kennedy Ohina Japan
I mean
yeah
me honorable nye close with anyway
only close
no onye menyanko but many man know a politician. Sebeka nanka me wongofu pia were connected to me. What the other camp that honorable in the camp.
Other company even.
Yes, wala nyima yam na meka wala nyima other camp.
Other company.
Wanga say nyim si wanga sebeka na aka. I mean say
Dr. Duchum.
Oh no, I mean like Dr. Duke to the camp or Dr. Brian Achampono or Dr. Yeah, me relate with more. They are in the other camp. But me nyobia sanyameka sama mucho nyipene nyimansana maka because menkasa because mishushe bibi. Mekasa because nyamese menka. Make a wia nani. Samiti bioma make a biom. Okay.
So I have this message here for you. We say I could say good morning. Please ask Prophet. He predicted a win for the NPP in 2012, but it didn't materialize. What happened?
I'm there. In Zama PAC.
Okay.
2012, Meshan Kompi.
Okay.
Na Meshan Kom Nyame catcher me there. Oye Atameus Obowu. Inteko YouTuber video no or the war.
That's before 2012 elections.
Inti Meroshe Manyameke no mamu nye there.
Okay.
Election no Atameus onyono no. Nesa Atameus onyono no was a one no bo.
Okay.
No need obey oye what you call my pay your friend there. Nana Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
So that one was a misinterpretation.
Misinterpretation.
Because it was a continuation of the vision I saw concerned Atameus' death.
Okay.
And Meshen Komno on 2 weeks before Atameus away. In Atameus Ubowuza, the one and all, and I felt Akufo-Addo.
You felt?
So nipe being no oboko competition. That's a crew one and obo.
So on the normal human sense, dear, a nipa on the call ye ya obey the pan and a bone. But then your prophecy say NPP ne be winning. That
be my mention you there. Say Abana Yeroton or ye between Atameus na Akufo-Addo. Into Moshe as in the day. Na me un de in you wa oniwo. Next no wa one na order Esho Baba. More way na me un Baba. We
ni penny so anas way yichre.
We yichre.
Yichre.
So I said on the I forgotten the date. Mamu yanyi there Atameus na Akufo-Addo. Na Atameus wewu.
Okay.
Na Atameus no nya Akufo-Addo no nya kwa contest.
Okay.
Na Atameus wewu a one na Akufo-Addo. Me interpreted there Atameus knew that Akufo-Addo no be, and I missed with the interpretation.
You missed the interpretation.
You see.
Okay, so to be both fache me nyame anka no explicit and chiro say Akufo-Addo be win 2012. But because said now we say before 2012 elections, the late John Evans Atameus any huntino. Then in your human sense, ube said
not my human sense. I interpreted in there. Se nipe bi na woro kwada, na se ekro no onyiwo, na se ekro no wewu. Most American is only the no baba, and I missed with the interpretation. I came back and I apologize for missing with the interpretation, and learned a lesson of always confirming a prophetic word for more than 5 times before I speak.
Eti can Japan the enton fa ho.
Ye Ghana ya 31st January baba. Emma nipa nyina wo do nenwa bon.
Is this a BB na other candidates na yentia nyame empo mo by this time of free say yenya kan Japan be born.
Minyima other candidates why ye na minyima why ye. Me minyima nye there abra nyame boy menua before the 2024 election. Say ye won branka mama mabovid audio mezachiro.
Okay.
Na nanka ahwe data meye dem audios ni nyina ama nyame mamu dead. Then NPP obo lose 2024. We lose we are nipa bebe di party na nyim no oye Canada Japan.
Okay.
God has confirmed more than 5 times to me.
So, can have no pay say the prophecy from you say can Japan ability NPP to 2028 elections no and tom found.
Ma catch on you there. Say osofu bia shankoma judge the prophecy. I don't need to say anything about mamaka. Ma meche ni there nyame ya Adom 31st January okoto abana Kenya Pon we win the dado.
Amamu abede.
The way all impossible for a dog to fly, no. That is how all impossible for Kenya Japan not to win the flag bearership of the NPP.
It's not impossible.
It is impossible for him to lose. The only option is win.
So
Eshia Laurent Gbagbo and Ebisa Laurent Gbagbo ne ebusuafo bia bisa on. Chapu dem na me peke Laurent Gbagbo number 2 oyentafo. Na me catch on there nyame sende. At that time no mama was sentenced in 20 years. Nyame so on did 3 years in prison. O mama be fi prison first. O mama fi prison where Laurent Gbagbo so be fi prison. Ubeja know about every coast. For 26 years doing this, I have matured in my work with God. And before I make a zibiara public, no, I know what is involved.
Okay.
Into me nkara nyame ya adoma keni upon be make sure on you there. Mark time I work to abano. What to abani we no. Delegate nangasa watu wanaba. We choose nipa wope. What counter abani nyina wie no. Kenya Japan na win election. Not win no win election.
No win. What percentage be a number of votes be a wonya?
Minimum percentage in the
okay.
Minimum say win win that.
Prophet Bernard, ELBernard, and what is say no egusuwa kunyama ya twi enkomone anopay on bedroom on Adom TV. Maminya adwuma wemra. Eba enkomokese opa honma ye de eto aso. Yeba yese. So the last trap here na yese this is where the major questions find itself and becomes a boot for boot. Because on Friday 24th October you share on National Theatre for the 100 degrees X Jumediano. Kasa MC Kabute any unstoppable DJ Wishman ejinamu tintintin na onim ne de wo we hu esem uchia 200 Ghana cedis na unya an open bar happy hour from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. your program na kasa ebe start or National Theatre no so from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. no an open hour party so as the main event kura ashase. Then 7 p.m. na main event no ashas so me miss it. This time me person chia obi bia na eye electronic dai short code for your payment *713*19# *713*19# to ticket of 200 Ghana cedis. Na enjoy this weekend. E be de papa fanye agodie. Wana aso asne Emiade Brobi Riverman Production and Oldman Solutions, the cyber security people. Digital partners, MG Digital Affair 3 Extra. Supported by Joy Prime TV, Joy FM, Hits FM, Adom FM, Adom TV, and Asempa FM. Don't miss it. Ebeye super, ebeye brutal. 24th October, or the National Theatre. Budget to ticket *713*19# *713*19# factor or ticket. Prophet. 2028. Nyame ada bibia di achiro.
Nyame ada nzeme pi achrem for 2028.
Nipo be mampeni.
Menyim pokra nyame aduma Ghana for to Abaman wababa president warding basic god on the 7th of January 2029.
Sunny way easy for Obi to pick up when Nyamia Kacho say Kennedy or Hina Japona ALD NPP in 2028 election. Then solely it means say 2028 Kennedy or Hina Japan will become the president-elect of the Republic of Ghana.
Akasa, but my mepede eta sinde ye wo oye parties ebien o kroma.
Sure.
Na makasa CCR fa oye NPP won.
Okay.
Na matro books for NDC. Na reason I mean release NDC for once in there. Me feel the oye abenyo ben na on cherry.
Okay.
And so it will be immature on my side and improper on my side there. Me release book no. Inti senyame ya Adom na se me release oye NDC for once and make anyipaku ewia nyame ya Adom make anyipaku nyame sinde 2028 Ghana for what to Abaman ma waba president
but
of Ghana.
But me kind book ni de what book ndada?
Books that make any na matro go.
Okay.
And this one then or
okay.
2028 din or what that.
Is there a possibility say NDC besa twaso in a natural sense of 8-year cycles nana?
Nyame ya Adoma ye do them one more than make a phone.
But anyone was say NDC beta twaso.
So ye do mamu can make a phone.
But Nyame akachiro.
Nyame akacha me wunyi bakoro ba president after His Excellency John Mahama. Na awana wo ben no nyimbi amazing komopi na maka cha on the one share anamona obiara rutu because manya make no work enwe
omo ben President Mahama no
nipa kura oba be president of Ghana after His Excellency no
okay
menye nkofo ezin komopi de o nyame aduma dem nye pen oba be yonti won hwe ne na
na sa nkofo no bi so ben His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Menka asem fa His Excellency John Mahama American for nipa 2020
obe take over
I wanna wo bend them nipa kro no Mike Nseme pi a chron
okay just said
have had the privilege of reading the 2028 book no wa kan we unzema nyame akan nyina.
Okay, so it means the 2028 year no enye like say be nipa na obedi omanim say man panikwa no obe free NDs mu.
Ma mechende sedu a momo kan maka.
Prophet, this issues about 31st December and 8 prophecies. I say, you who ye memudo.
Abedintra.
Because I say, to the be a mudi who bought 2 years so.
I want to open the wood on the now no me won't on.
SMC be woo or being team be woo. There be a mouth for say, it's Yankupon card, the papa be and Fagana.
Americans are pay Fagana, but most of the time, I'm going to pick on or you was. But my mention there. Say boa or them a win you
Obewa.
Or them a win you there. I mean, this year, my wife could share soft be myself on this mo minuaje there. Mo Emma Maya won't you because I mean, I will be here for a long time.
Okay.
Into some many the son maybe both this and a metina wa sanka meu.
Okay.
Into me feel there or you the right understanding of prophecy. Imagine there you will be our doors by 5.
Okay.
Now, sir, nipa kufi door A, abade, obi kitetu oruku nipa o.
Yeah.
You will not go through that door A, you go through that door B. Inti sebiwa enwu prophecy ba. Nyame ordinance achu mo sebutuma e bibi eza found. But me ji there nzeme pie nyame so waka afa ye ne man wo a nipa pie na wonte and it's not only about the dead prophecies na ze.
But who share the way colleagues are so for be communicated the death prophecies of Amanfua. Right.
Minimum kwana wopede wofado what do communicate.
So jina waso de now boom asimesi babewu obentin babewu ya mompa ya amfama na.
Edebi na oye papa panyini bi wo krom a mete de obi senda obo na nkofo wo dam party na ze wo sha roba one my friend catch na eja dam go fi wo sha me do na chiro san wo na wo kede wo bo a na kwa ye bibi afon.
Okay.
Inti ebeye ye bibi fon oye bibi fon inti me say there oya at times no maybe we have to look for a proper way of communicating what God is saying. But nyame aka na nyame so onka abenje pede okwo hwe nboko no kan different way. Say nyame na oso de bi onka waka abako na pede of adoze ka biom.
So be you know show them
na nsem bi onyame ka kire na nyame the privilege there yebeka another yebepa ekwan bi that means amano you have the right. Ye wonzeme bi wo a nyame se wo there the masemika. Today kere Japan asemi in mano wa fe mwetumofo a fotu nechi nyina meza to ncha make manya America manya America na America America wemi arrange ono mfamo manya America na ona America nti se bi wa se nyame mon right there the masemi ebotum enwonyipa no private you just go and do it.
Exactly, most of the deaf prophecies no enquire the private discussion because some metike mu kona.
Okay, I'm messing you there. Prophet yokwa hwe ngofu obekro oba bebeg no abeg nzama ntaba ko no mfa don kan kiro ame 31st no mini time amesha nkoma mankofu amachapo nyameka sama I don't know about chapel make concentration over on them inti but me feel that nyameka waka want answer it's up to them but
Senior CEO IGP George Dampare the restrictions kakra to mo 31st night professor ne how
amia that be because on 31st nguta na yesha nkomese mo yesha 31st be 38
or 31st I'll be better.
Na say nda yen o mo yesha 31st nti yesha 138 how nanti
who the would any about it
I mean I don't have time for the 31st there.
Okay.
I'm major nyamiezi there. Nipa kure wa machapo. Na minko dinechi menyi no time. I wanna watch mizi no watch pro. Nyame ka bibi kyerem na menka nkyere won.
Okay.
So bo wa osanara. I don't watch po bo ma menka nkyere no won adwuma. Na nipa wa mba neze ontin ni fie.
Otu wani hwe wiemu a oma ye ni mutene.
Today abakondo them.
Se yen hihye yen kankomo.
Me just say Ghana will be better. I believe in this nation.
Ghana will be better.
Based on some of the visions I have seen, there is a book I've written about Ghana, which I'll be releasing very soon.
Okay.
It will make everyone be proud to be a Ghanaian. Yeah.
Ghana will be better. Every neye kuye.
I mean, whether Indo or Chino, in Zama Bezisa, Ewo Kruma.
Ebenya leaders are a big train your home.
Definitely, maybe that means I mean, you know, as I mean.
One for question, we probably be in your coin. I will say, please ask Prophet for me. Was he part of the pastors who joined forces together to fight against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in their churches? He seems to be one of them. Why don't he like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nasa abesne menye film. Onya menyanko onyim minyim no. Wambe vice president kan minyim no. Me nasa mko join forces there. Masha menkom onye dem me join forces. Manyamia de nizache me na maka. So ontasa onkonko bompen fan, but I will never join forces with any man of God and fight against His Excellency the Vice President. I don't have that time. Mwenze me piwa meye dande me ko join forces to fight. Nkom na mabeshe. Na mon unde nkom wanko ye amaninti. Ofide me fight Dr. Mahmoud. I will never do that. I'm a mission nkoma. You can talk about the prophecy. You can criticize me, criticize the prophetic word. Na anya yenhwe mo besi. Mame won America 31st nyame aduna so drua na ke Japan nwinu ebonde mamba dem join forces me be de make manyame waka nti manyame aka na maka munya
And you don't only be against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
na obi amenyim ne de me zina menye bibi against him aba mfa so na menye film menye no baby I don't have any personal issue. Okay. And come na meanwhile my best income only the personal ABA benefit in the BBA room. Ntanka obi on winner member met na nka there on the winner. I also them bodam letter no. That's ma mutuma bodam letter na chiro. Ma kan poko win chiro. Say prepare your heart for the shock.
Okay.
I will prepare
shock betie.
Sure. Unya say nipa feed can you omba I me a prophet the same way when you are dealing with an expert in a field you will trust the knowledge of the expert in the field. I'm a prophet of 26 years. I've matured in this calling, and when I say something I know what I've seen, I know what I've heard. IGP bisan minyini share wo mifi meka mo besi akeren epa agidi epa menjidi osiwie a ebo na asa meka no abem
COP 31
nyama meka eche no ba be ya IGP e wo 2025
enepa nyame na mo su pegya nkrofo pa
na say ekro manyi papi na wonka no kwar.
Okay.
MP Kro Odi or Brian Achampon ne kam nti nko de me frefre nko de wonko I don't have that time. I'm a friend bon me nyata me pick me call. I'm a coffee friend nko wo friend no OPK Honorable Davis Opoku and say mo drive me car e wa Achimota na nya me ka chem de me nko Achimota Shell filling station na makonyi pe basa wo azibia water mintu akaw na menka damase minchira won na mo driver ko mo ko nyipe baasa aza water nyame poncho da mutu akaw na mutu ma onyina na meka cho na meka cho opik nyame se menka ncho de eba boko parliament dama time na meka che no he was nowhere close to going to parliament. Many years he did not know who I was. Many years after o pick any wife ba me chapel mission in combium
okay
na ne obehun de sana papa ya obeka na oyosofo na o pick ebehun. When the time was up, my friend, I miss him in that this time prepare and go to parliament. Also, at this point, me lose me juma. Miss Nyami Anka there, lose with juma. I miss him there. You are going to parliament. They'll go and contest. You are the one going to parliament. This is the second time he's going. Into Sanyamika Sama Yaka, not because we have any personal interest. Today, MP support to be a pedo supporting. I mention come make enjoy them. Match the moon community. Fiakwa. Me need them time. I don't have that strength. I know what I have seen. I know what I have heard. I cannot lie to you based on this. There's a thing I mention. Michelle Okumase Family Chapel or the congregation mu or share jeans no share Lacoste. No nyame ma me pekino. Me born is in it. Me ka sama osi. Abrana ne ma nyinsa na onye no London a wo hye nkom de on fi London wo mbo wo Accra na nyame obama wa ba ye gama nche one day na me hye nkom ma me kokọ deep a later me nyin ko baby ko ya kwanchere man me catch you will hear from me again when you come and sit on the seat you will not hear from me you will be the one to call me and I left his life he's on the seat. Some me was mean to me back and there me and these people are people can verify from. I won't come here and lie to you. My mate on you there. MP before delegate we go vote. Obia bo choose the power we choose ni nyina we are majority of the MPP delegate we choose Kenya Japan ewie
in the spiritual realm.
Physical. Emma Kenya Japan or the ballot paper do our 2028 election.
But you see a people so face say as a one Kennedy aye collusion be and because a Ghana for GD or prophet Muntino as a mumma Ghana for Philip morally be to like towards Kennedy.
I want to wash and come mama Dr. Ba me when Dr. Ba me when na connector. Okay. When na connector. When no be kwatina TV do back there ono na prophet Anton prophet offend Victor Kusibwate they are in one camp into one commission on bela. Are you
not learning from Prophet Kusibwate in 2024 elections when the prophecies are made through?
What to learn? Nyame aka say mabeka abazibium na I need to
Prophet Kusibwate same was with Nyame.
He's a genuine man of God.
Yes.
Mo winu mi genuine. I mean my church on you there. Nyame aka chem ne Kenya bon we win the Adom. Say e Kristo ni se ntasa kobo wompe. Every
prophecy be on a direction most of the time. Kennedy or Hina Japan, the direction relating to this prophecy.
On your prophecy be na our direction. Go for back up and that's what use kwa. My make on the Kennedy win direction behind you. Kennedy, no the flag bearer of NPP.
Kennedy Japan sorry tia software my way mo Prophet ELBernard. Usari Nyankopon komhye tadachi.
Nasa obi njazi ndonka da mejida. Sise yetna yi.
Yeah.
Nasa obi beka mekasa ewo gam nso obi ntasa. Enwu do badwe na mabodema.
Sure.
Nti so obi ntasa masa. He has the right to express his displeasure over that one. But yin ewo abrabom.
Okay.
Nti the more we grow no, the more we understand things. Nti obi kaza onjin komche no chama mention koma. Measure off. Mi fia akoya nyame ket bibia cha mesanso ahye biom. Nti mention of upia wonjin zamendi.
Okay.
Make a chron. Oh, she said, I believe in some of these things. Into Ojido, Onjindo, Nyamesende, Ono, Nobabe, MPP, one flag bearer for the 2028 election.
Prophet ELBernard. Now, what you said in the tree, Elcobone, and a pay. But did you have a sincere or said that for Cosner Adom TV, Bedroom Day? Ever said yes, bye.